Another day, another story. Welcome to Learn with AI, where we explore topics that empower personal growth and enhance our relationships. In this video, we delve into the power of effective communication and how it can transform the way we connect with others. Effective communication is the foundation of healthy relationships, both personal and professional. So, let's dive in and uncover the key aspects of communication that can help us build stronger connections and navigate conflicts with grace. Topic 1. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is at the core of our interactions. To communicate effectively, we need to master the art of active listening. By being fully present and engaged in conversations, we show respect and build rapport with others. Additionally, clear and concise speech allows us to express our ideas effectively, avoiding misunderstandings. Finally, empathetic communication helps us understand others' perspectives and demonstrate compassion through our words. Topic 2. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication speaks volumes in our interactions. Our body language, including gestures, facial expressions, and posture, can convey messages that sometimes speak louder than words. Eye contact and active engagement establish connection and build trust. By harnessing the power of nonverbal cues, we enhance understanding and create meaningful connections. Topic 3. Emotional intelligence in communication. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in effective communication. Recognizing our own emotions and understanding their impact on communication dynamics is essential. Emotional self-awareness allows us to manage our emotions effectively, preventing them from negatively affecting our interactions. Additionally, developing empathy and compassion enables us to understand and relate to others on a deeper level. Topic 4. Conflict resolution. Conflicts are inevitable in relationships, but how we handle them can make all the difference. Effective conflict resolution strategies help us manage conflicts in a healthy and constructive manner. Active listening and validating emotions during conflicts promote understanding and create a safe space for resolution. By finding win-win solutions and fostering compromise, we strengthen our relationships and move forward together. Topic 5. Assertive communication. Assertiveness is crucial for expressing our needs, opinions, and boundaries in a clear and respectful way. Techniques for assertive communication, such as using I statements and confident body language, empower us to communicate effectively without being overly passive or aggressive. Overcoming barriers to assertiveness and building self-confidence enables us to advocate for ourselves and maintain healthy boundaries in our relationships. Topic 6. Communication in professional settings. Effective communication is vital in the workplace. Collaborating with teams, delivering impactful presentations, and building professional relationships all rely on effective communication skills. Additionally, written communication plays a significant role in crafting professional emails, reports, and correspondence. By honing our communication skills in the professional setting, we can thrive in our careers and achieve success. Topic 7. Communication challenges and cultural considerations. Communication challenges can arise due to language barriers, cultural differences, and assumptions. Overcoming these barriers requires a conscious effort to understand and respect diverse perspectives. Cultivating cultural sensitivity and inclusivity in our communication helps create an environment where everyone feels valued and understood. Adapting our communication styles to connect with diverse audiences fosters meaningful connections and avoids misunderstandings. Topic 8. Communication in personal relationships. Effective communication is vital for building and maintaining healthy personal relationships. Building trust and intimacy through communication is essential. Active listening, validation, and empathy play crucial roles in nurturing our connections with loved ones. Expressing emotions, needs, and boundaries in a healthy and respectful manner fosters deeper understanding and strengthens our bonds. Topic 9. Communication technology and digital etiquette. The advent of technology has transformed the way we communicate. Understanding the impact of technology on communication is essential. We explore the benefits and challenges of communication in the digital age. Practicing digital etiquette in online communication platforms helps us maintain respectful and meaningful connections. We discuss strategies to balance the convenience of digital communication with the importance of maintaining authentic connections in a digital world. Topic 10. Improving communication skills. Effective communication is a lifelong learning process. We explore various strategies to improve our communication skills. Mindfulness and self-reflection play a vital role in enhancing communication. Seeking feedback and embracing continuous improvement helps us refine our skills. We provide resources and tools for further developing communication skills, including recommended books, courses, and exercises. Congratulations! You've completed this journey into the power of effective communication with Learn with AI. By applying these insights and techniques, you can cultivate stronger connections, resolve conflicts with grace, and build healthier relationships. Remember, effective communication is a lifelong learning process, so practice and apply these principles in your daily interactions. Together, let's create a world where understanding and empathy flourish, one conversation at a time. Call to action. If you found this video valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to Learn with AI for more content on personal growth and relationship enhancement. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Like, share, and comment to spread the message of effective communication. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy communicating with Learn with AI. Thanks for watching.